there from Bugeye, guys. This is Lulu, our 400th Bugeye sold. Just about ready for departure. A new hardtop has been installed. Really excited to be sending this car to a great new owner, and a very special car at that. But in this video, I want to talk to you a little about front bumpers, because one of the issues that we found with this car is that the bumper was actually not uniformly gapped on the left front compared to the right front. I don't have another car down here with a bumper on it, but the issue is these irons that Ken's working on now. They are obviously, they've been in the world for a long time. They get hit, you know, the bumper gets an impact and it's going to bend this angle iron inward and put this spring steel under tension. And the net effect is you, in a sense, have a bad body line for the bumper against the car. It almost looks here, probably can't see on your video, like the bumper is angled towards the driver's side a tad. But in reality, there's just a little bit of a deflection of the angle iron, and we have enough of these irons in our building that we can swap it for one that's bent at a more favorable angle. And the reason I wanted to point this out is that just hanging a bumper on one of these cars is one thing, but getting it to fit properly is quite another. And that's what we're up to here today. It's just a matter of trying to get this gap here equal to this gap here. We still have a little bit of a ways to go, but getting the bumper level and getting the gap right is a big part of the process. And if you want to add a bumper, we have all the parts. We have used bumpers. We have all the new irons. If your bumper doesn't fit right, you may be interested in a new set of these brackets, because it gives you the opportunity to space it out properly once again. You can see Ken measuring the height on both sides, and he's going to make sure that the visual experience of looking at this bumper is more uniform and that nothing stands out as out of alignment. And that's what we're working on today at Bugeye, guys.